Missed a credit card or loan payment recently? Yeah, it happens, but you might be wondering, how long do late payments actually stay on your credit report? In this video, I'll explain the timeline and how it affects your credit score. Most late payments stay on your credit report for 7 years from the date of the missed payment. That's true whether it's a credit card, personal loan, or auto loan. Late payments have the biggest impact initially. The first 6 months to a year can cause your score to drop significantly. Over time, the effect lessens, especially if you make all other payments on time. Whether the late payment is on a paid or unpaid account, it still stays on your report for 7 years. However, paying off the debt can look better to lenders and may improve your credit worthiness, despite the late mark. Sometimes late payments are reported incorrectly. If you notice errors, you can dispute them with the credit bureau. Correcting mistakes can remove the late payment from your report and protect your score. Even with a late payment on your report, building positive habits matters most. Pay all bills on time, keep balances low, and avoid new negative marks. Over time, these actions help your credit score recover while the late payment ages off your report. So, late payments usually stay on your credit report for 7 years, but the impact decreases over time with consistent positive credit behavior. Stay patient, keep paying on time, and your score will improve. If this helped, hit like and check out more tips for managing your credit. Ever notice